Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by ensuring the Mini SoundLink Roman 2 has enough juice. If unsure, plug it in so the reset won't fail. Once powered, turn the speaker on and verify the Bluetooth indicator is active or flashing. Make sure you remove or forget the device on your phone or laptop first so reconnection is clean. You're starting the process now, no waiting, so keep the speaker on and nearby, fingers ready to press the required buttons in the next step. Now perform the reset action. If the speaker is frozen, press and hold power for 10 seconds to shut it down, then power it on. Next, press and hold the power and volume down buttons together for about 10 seconds. You'll see lights blink or hear a tone. This indicates the factory reset command was accepted. Once the lights flash, release both buttons and make sure to wait around 30 seconds while internal settings clear, and the unit completes its reboot sequence before attempting to pair. After reboot, enable Bluetooth on your phone and select the Bose Mini SoundLink Roman 2 from the list. You should see a successful connect tone. If pairing fails, make sure you clear the old pairing entries and restart your phone's Bluetooth or reset its network settings, then try again. If the speaker still won't pair or respond, perform the reset sequence one more time. And if problems persist, contact Bose support for hardware diagnostics. This often points to a firmware or battery issue that needs attention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.